Welcome to Sunnytime Doll's YouTube channel.
I was at the American Girl doll store this afternoon for a Kira Bailey cupcake decorating event and decided to go walk around afterwards, and I was pleasantly surprised and completely blown away to see that they have a new Airplane Playset. It's a very large piece. It has a whole bunch of details and items that come with the set. And they've also released a flight attendant uniform, an airline pilot uniform, as well as a food cart, which is a smaller accessory to go along with the airplane. In the past, AG used to sell these illustrated cardboard scenes or backdrops, and they did release an airport scene that was illustrated and had like some accessories and chairs. And that set, I cannot date the year that it came out. It was called the First Class Flight Set, but it's probably been a good 10 years ago. And so this has been a long time coming for American Girl to release an actual airplane. And I commend them for their efforts. They've done an outstanding job. And so without further ado, I'm going to show some video clips and photos that I took while at the store today.